Indra Indra Angler. Nah, itu ada yang mancing, Ra. Kita zoom ya. Ada yang mancing berdua. Duh, bukan mancing rupanya. Ngopo iki. Ya, berdua lah. Ada anak-anak lagi main apa nih? Ya. Mau berenang, nyebur. Kita mau lari ke sana. Cuman di sana lagi hujan. Gerimis. Oke. Sana ada yang pacaran, guys. Berduaan di pojok. Mendung, hujan tuh di sana hujan. Ih, suap-suapan. Gijai.
Ya pasti ya, ini enggak naik lagi lah.
Saya rencananya mau lari. Mau, pegang mau. Masih ngerekam? Oh, masih.
Ya, laut Aceh Selatan. Aceh Selatan sangat indah sekali.
Persiapan, guys.
Persiapan, guys. Ini
Lari.
mau melarikan diri. Melarikan diri.
Apa sih itu?
Loh, kok mati?
Gak apa-apa, itu ngerekam tuh.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay.
Oke guys, lari dulu. Mul, ikutnya. Salah, si Mul bobo. Si Mul tidak mau ikut. Itulah, lari sendiri aja lah. Si Mul tidak mau ikut. Kita lihat pemandangannya. Ada apa di sana? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ndra, casting di sini Ndra, tapi keruh nih, keruh karena lagi musim hujan. Keruh, mungkin banyak kerapunya. Tuh di gunung udah hujan. Oke, ada kawan nongkrong di Jembatan Putih. Lagi mau mancing guys, mau mancing malam. Ndra, jelegar ombak.